This is a demo for the application that the users will use to request tax receipt, as well as for buying a gift cards and to collect to actually do fundraising for their favorite institutions. So the user will install the app, and they have the option to register. So to do that, they will enter their mobile phone number, and they can enter an optional referral code. They will automatically have an account generated in the system and receive a one-time password to validate their phone. They can also select the demo option if they want to see what is all this application about. They can do fundraising, or they can buy e-gift cards and other prepaid products that we can make available. So the first thing they need to do is load money in their SIMPAY account. They can do that either by registering a credit card or by doing a direct bank deposit, and we can apply different fees. Once the person has funds in the system, and they can go ahead and select, let's say they want to collect money for the Red Cross in the UK. They can do that, and when they do that, they can just enter the amount or get a fixed denomination, or use a QR code for different payment method like Alipay, WeChat Pay, or use if they register and have a credit card account linked to it, they can just accept it using credit card. That is in the case they have a Square reader as well. So as you can see, we can assign, if the charity allows, we can assign a percentage that they will get as an incentive to collect the money. So the actual amount collected will be 100. There will be a fee of 5% that will be given to the person doing the collection, and this is optional. And then the actual tax receipt given to the person doing the donation will be 95. And it will then just link the account to the Square, open the Square, and receive the payment. Or if it's cash, it will reduce from the balance, the SIMPAY balance. If it has enough balance, then it will actually reduce the amount minus the 5% commission for the user doing the fundraising. And it will generate the tax receipt that they can save or send to the person doing the donation. And they can also buy gift cards. So the idea is that if you're going to buy, for example, coffee every day, you can buy, instead of using just normal payment, they can buy a gift card and have a discount, like let's say a 3% that they will get as cash back. So in this case, they will get £100, £100 gift card for coffee. They will get a 3%, and we only deduct from their account 97. So they can use a 3% to make a donation, or they can just keep it for themselves. Once they buy it, they get the actual e-gift card, a QR code or barcode, and the instructions on how to do it. And they can send it as a gift, or they can use it for themselves. So when they want to go for coffee, they just select it and pay with this. So this is important because it's showing all the different, you can save in the app all the different gift cards and receipts and all the other information. So you don't really need to have a printer. You can also send as a gift to friends and family, just using WhatsApp and other messenger, other electronic method, as always. In addition to that, well, you have a card that you can use as payment method, or just to identify yourself. You can get the balance of your SIMPAY account, enter your tax profile to generate a tax receipt. You can request a tax receipt. Let's say I want a report of all the donations I have done to Red Cross, and at the end of the period or at the end of the year, if I have done enough donations, I can get my tax receipt for that institution. And get other reports like summary and a detailed report. change the password, change the language. I can also do a scanning of QR code and barcodes and other functions. And those are the main functionality of this application. Thank you.